So I just woke up. Oh, not really. I went in there to pee. We're here in Grants, New Mexico now. Pretty fucking tired. About to eat my burrito. Some ketchup. Some Tabasco sauce. Yeah. This is a small town.
Picked up on that one quick. That's pretty dope.
I'm on a nature walk.
Nature walk.
Here at work. And look at this shit. What the fuck?
I don't know. It's pretty close. It's kind of scary.
Crikey, mate.
Oh shit.
Hey, just make sure.
Look at that, dude. Look at that.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Spider web. Ah! When we go by and we don't find the solution, why you can say to bye.
We were cutting in
The water hole. Go fish it.
Careful. What the fuck is that down there? A fish?
It's a body. 1, 2, 3.
That's what happens when I take a shit.
Bruh.
How do you guys get over there? Never mind. The first person to die would be me because I'm all the way back here. This is very tiring.
Prefiero comer mierda.
Este pastel. Puchi. Está chistoso el pinche video, ¿no?
Pinche comida china.
Te lo mandé a verdad.
Okay.
Una chingadera.
Ay, qué sushi.
Almost dropped it.
Shit.
Straight down that.
Look.
You see it?
Right there.
Mm-hmm. A little stream, right? Dude, look at the fucking cloud. Looks like it's like just hovering above the fucking tree.
Dude, if you can spot a bear, I can spot one from like all the way up here.
Spot what?
Dude, that shit's far down there. Let's go further.
Órale, primo. Órale. Macasi.
Kamakasi, la madre. Kamakasi.
¿Qué quiere decir ese pedo?